Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start inside Qgis. Open the Python console now and dock it so you can code while viewing maps. Once done, make sure the project has at least one vector layer loaded because you will reference it directly. Install any extra libraries via Qgis Python environment. Use OSGeo4W shell or the internal pip so versions match PyQgis. This step speeds testing and prevents path errors. It also ensures the console uses the same Qgis API you see on screen, which avoids runtime mismatches. You now write your first PyQgis commands. Start with iface. Active layer to grab the layer object because it targets what you see. Then use layer fields to learn the schema before editing. Once comfortable, iterate features. For f in layer, get features. Call f geometry and f attributes to read data. If you add or generate layers programmatically, use Qgis project. Instance. Add map layer, so Qgis shows them immediately. These steps focus on read, modify, write flow, and keep your map synchronized with changes. You finish by converting test commands into a reusable script. Save it as Py and run it from the processing toolbox or the console so you can repeat tasks. For edits, use layer. Start editing, then change attribute value and layer. Commit changes to ensure transactions are atomic. If something fails, first read the traceback in the console. Most issues are path or version mismatches. As a troubleshooting tip, verify the Qgis Python path and that the script runs inside Qgis bundled interpreter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.